Yep, that's my lathe machine. I did that with the help of some tools. Man, it wasn't easy today, just trying to get this done. But it's nice. You can try it at home also. My lathe machine worked. It's not stable yet because I didn't fix and something to damp the leg underneath. So if I put it on, it will start shaking. But it's working perfectly fine. Another thing is, I discovered that my the chisel mount is worn out already, so I need to get a new chisel. So it's taking more time to actually machine this piece of wood. If the chisel had a good mount now, I would have done this express. But it's all good. The motor, in fact, this project was awesome. You should try it at home also. Age height, I'm challenging you. Do something.